Wānanga Aotearoa had 14 buses. I don't know who paid for it, but they had 14 buses. We went down on faith. And they were going to 250 young Māori men were told to take sticks, taiaha, koi, anything. And I noticed a few stolen broom handles. I said to all the men, when we go down, I want you to take a stick. It doesn't matter whether it's a straight stick like this, could be a crooked stick, long as a stick you're comfortable, because we're going to do the pure peri. He wiped the way off. And you just imagine, boom, boom, boom. Ka tahi ka kitea, e rua rau ngā pirihimana, e tua nei mua te pāremata, mea rātou rākau, kua reri ki te patu I ngā Māori, kua kite ngā pirihimana, ka are tā tātou mahi I te haere ki te patu. But the funny thing was, 10 minutes after that, after we finished, some policemen came down to ask if we needed to secure our sticks. So they had come down. We thought that was tremendous. 800 Māori people standing in front of it. Then they began to sing some songs. Next minute we looked to the left, and here were a group of people coming up. Oromia, they were all from Ngāti Pro, wondering who was singing their songs. We teamed up with Tawanui Arangi, with Raukawa, and all of those ones who had come from the streets, from the government departments. It took nearly 2 months to train and to go between Rotorua, Raroera campus in Hamilton, Manukau campus in Auckland, Te Kuiti used to come up to Apakura at Tawamutu, and that was Ngāti Pro. Hei wi, ihu hoke tera. You know, ka rongoana I a rātou waiata nei waiata, wa ko haere mai rātou ki te tio, a ko wai kei te waiata. Ana ko taku hia, mā tērā, ka rahi ake ngā tāngata I roto I tā tātou rōpu. Nā tērā, ka piki ake te rahi o tō tātou rōpu, neke atu ki te rua mana.
You know and we know that the single most important investment that we can make is in people, and the single most important way we can make an investment is through education. You have been sold down the river for the last 6 years because this system has not been invested in, and that's why you've had to come here today. Our promise to you is our proud record in this area will carry on. All power to you.
And hea ngā kore te mutunga. Kore kei te rongo mātou I o kore re rongo. Kei te marama mātou ki tō take. Waihongia mā mātou.